Put another gear in here, look. I'm going to put this right here.
Okay. I want to do that too.
Okay, we'll put that there. Look, now we turn it on. That one turns everything. We can put another one for the blue one. Oh, a big one.
I want
I
one.
don't know what this does though.
Goes. Look. See?
I'm no Superman.
You can see how much it takes. And as you see this size, and this is Dad, can you take this out?
Why?
Because I need to put this in.
Why do you need to do that? Is this gonna break it or what?
Well,
I don't know what this is.
then this.
But look, we got more gears working. It messes up this thing though. Do another one?
Do a gear. Do one right here. Do one right here.
This one first. Let go. Don't grab this stuff out of my
And
hand.
then that one
Wrong
might
way.
be put in
What?
over here. This one might be put in right here, and
Don't
that
mess
one.
my gears. Don't mess with my gears. Okay, that goes there, that goes there.
I
I
think
need one of these again.
are our extras.
Those here.
So these are
There's another gear
what
here.
we are going to
Oh, that thing, yeah, that's gonna work.
high fly.